Okay, the topic is describe a plant, vegetable, or crop that you are familiar with. But you'll talk about one item only, okay? So please, you can start.
Pakistan is a diverse country. There are many plants in our country, Pakistan. Uh, they are very useful and beneficial for the environment of our country. So the plant which I talk about here is aloe vera, which is used for skin care and treatment of pimples and acne. Uh, I recently received it from my friend as a gift, and I saw it first at my uncle's house since when I was 10 years old. One of the most adoptable plants. This is one of the most adoptable plants, and important. This is very important for my country that it can be used for the cure of pimples and acne, and also used for skincare products. And uh, this can be very useful for.
All right, very good. Overall, it's fine. Thoda sa fluency or energy. Otherwise, language is good, okay? Now, let's move on. We've got speaking part 3. Do people in your country like to grow plants at home?
Yes, they love to grow the plants at home uh, because there is a less space in the home. So uh, people are very.
You need to come up with ideas. Listen, do people in your country like to grow plants at home? Yes, why not? This is a very common hobby in my country, and most of the people, they have green fingers. You know green fingers? When you're expert at plantation and all that. So in every house, whether people have the space or not, they love to grow the plants. Some people grow plants in pots. Otherwise, if they have some small garden, they grow the plants there. So to answer your question, yes, in my country, people love to grow the plants. थोड़ी excitement, थोड़ी energy लेके आए, ठीक है? Tiger biscuits खाया करें. Thank you. Good job.